Even just a walk into the Woodlands area or
EAA 2026, video 2.
Full programming lineup for AirVenture Oshkosh 2026 at eaaradio.net.
EAA Radio is streaming onto the World Wide Web 24/7 all year long. Once you get to Oshkosh, you can hear us on AM 1210 and FM 96.5. In fact, you can preset your FM radio right now to 96.5. Go ahead, right now.
Goal of flying 1 million youth by the Centennial of Flight celebration in December of 2023. We flew about 63,000, but that was the deal.
Yeah, we're gonna have
Programs,
it's gonna be a
pushes
lot
for
of
volunteers, and then
research
2024
the situation. I think we got a pretty good idea.
Last year was.
I was probably one of those skeptics. What are you talking about? A million kids? Hey, that's old history now.
I know we were talking about that at the banquet the other night. You know, if Tom Wolveris, he only knew what the program was gonna.
These all inspirations. Some of them are really right to utilize that. And others, it's just individuality. So yeah.